What is up everybody, my name is AJ and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an outline in an image, whether it be for your thumbnail or an Instagram post or whatever. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and we're going to use a tool called Canva. Let's get started. So we're going to head over to canva.com. You can click the link in the description. I do have an affiliate link in there, which will give you a 45-day free trial. So you can use all of these amazing tools without even paying for it, which is amazing for 45 days. So click that link. So once you're in Canva, go ahead and pick on like an Instagram post template or something like that. 500 by 500 or 1080 by 1080, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Go ahead to uploads. I've got an image in there. So click on this and then my image will appear. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out. Let's see if I can stretch it like this. Okay, cool. Now, first of all, I want to get rid of this background. Okay, so I'm going to click on the image, go to edit image, and then on the left, there's going to be a menu. Once you click on edit image, just scroll down. There's going to be some options here to kind of edit or choose like a style of edit, right? What you want to do is find the background remover, BG remover. Click on background remover and automatically it will make your background disappear. Now this isn't a pro version of Canva, but you can use it via my link. So once you do that, go ahead and click on apply. And now we have a clean background and just the subject here. Now, how do we go ahead and create an outline for this image? So what I want you to do is click on that image, make sure it's highlighted. Then again, if you want to look for shadows, right? If you don't see it, go scroll down until you see shadows or something like that, and then click on it. So mine's at the top because I've been using it. So click on shadows, and then what I want you to do is click on glow, right? If you're liking this video so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then it will just change your image for a minute. So what's happening now is you'll see a glow around my image, my original image. So click on it again to access the settings, right? And then all I want you to do is remove the blur, right? Go to 0, go to full transparency, okay? And then let's get a different color. So let's go for yellow, okay? Or even red, or blue, or pink. So we can pick any color. Maybe we can go for this kind of green. And then what you want to do is just size it up a little. Right, so once you've done that, if you cannot control your image, what you want to do is just double click and go to detach image from background. And then that's going to detach it from the actual background, so you can move it again, right? Let's just adjust this one here. And then you can stretch it out as much as you want, like this. Oh, let's see. Well, technically you don't need that. So now what I've done is added an outline to my image, okay? And then, you can do all kinds of extra things with it, which is amazing. So what I do is go and use it for my thumbnails. So if you go on my YouTube channel, you'll see my thumbnails all have this outline, okay, which is great. And I get like a 12% click-through rate. So it works. I know it works. Make sure you use this tool to do that. And there you have it. That's how you create an outline for your image to use on your thumbnails. I use it on my thumbnails as I've showed you. It's an epic kind of attention grabber, especially for YouTube, and it can be for other things like adverts and stuff like that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want more video tutorials like this. I am going to leave my Canva affiliate link in the description below, so you can have a 45-day free trial of Canva using all these epic tools for free. So make sure you click on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.